Okay, a bit of a follow-up video from our glue rig video. A lot of feedback, real positive stuff, thank you very much for that. A lot of people have said, you know, don't really fancy going down the glue rig, it looks a little bit complicated perhaps, or don't have the time to do them. My good friend John Sywett last night on the beach, he said, what's the quickest and easiest way of making a simple flapper rig? So I thought, I'll show you how to do that today. We're going to be using something called Crimp Swivels. These are C-Match Essentials Crimp Swivels. They are essentially a long crimp with a rolling swivel coming off the middle of it. That'll all make sense in a minute. So for this rig we're going to use a rig body of Suffolk Zippy. We're going to use the 60-pound, something a bit tough, deals with the crimps a little bit better. For the top of my rig I'm going to use some size 6 C-Match Essentials crane and swivels, and the bottom of my rig, breakaway spin links. So first of all, with your rig body, we're going to tie on our crane swivel. It says, you can pick it up. We're going to do a 2 foot, 2 up, 1 down. So that means we're going to have 2 snoods above the lead, 1 snood below the lead, a little bit like we did with the glue rig. This time we're going to be 2 foot snoods, so our rig body is going to be just over 4 foot in length. So get your tape measure out. Once you've tied your swivel at the top, measure yourself off 4.5 foot. Let's get okay. Old line. So there we go. Now we have our swivel at the top, 4.5 foot of line. Get your crimp swivels and simply slide them on. 1, 2, and 3, and tie on our spin link down the bottom. Plenty of slobber on your line, stops it burning when you pull the knot down. Turn that off. There we go. We now have 3 crimp swivels, swivel at the top, clip at the bottom. So a little bit like with the glue rig, we're going to fix the top and the bottom snood positions first. Okay, so just a couple of inches back from the top swivel, I'm going to secure the first crimp swivel. Now the way I do this, using a pair of round nose pliers, I find those are the most line friendly. I'm going to crimp up one end of the swivel, like so, gently. Rotate at 90 degrees and just crimp the other end of the crimp, sorry, not swivel. And do the other side. So gentle squeeze, twist 90 degrees, gentle squeeze again. That's now fixed in place. Do the bottom snood, so inch or so above the clip. Repeat the process. Gentle squeeze, 90 degrees, gentle squeeze. That's now in place. And just like last time, if we take hold of the top and the bottom ones we've just crimped in place together, slide our rig body to the middle, we'll find the middle of the rig where we can put our middle crimp swivel. 1, 2, 1, 2. That is a rig body done. Took, I don't know how many seconds that was, not very many. Because that was ridiculously quick and easy, let's stick some hooks on it. So this time of year, being January, whiting fishing, pouting fishing, things like that. So nothing too delicate needed. In fact, if anything, delicate means spun up traces and twisted up snoods and that sort of thing. So I generally go with an 040 snood. This is 040 Trilene XL, 20 pound rated. And again, no need to go too tiny on the hooks. Bit of whiting fishing I was doing last night. Some size 2 mustard Aberdeen worms. get your rig body again. Starting at the top of the rig, I'm going to tie the snood onto the standoff swivel, crimp swivel. Once you've tied that on, run all the way down until your snood line just touches the next crimp swivel. Cut it off, and then repeat the process with the 2 remaining crimp swivels. Slide all the way down to the next crimp. Trim it off. Yeah, that's now our rig body with snoods attached. Simply tie on 2, 3. Oops. Once you've done your snoods, just check with the paternosters. It's very important that when it's at full stretch, this hook can't reach the next swivel. Okay? If the length is too long and the hook goes past the swivel, you need to just shorten it up because that'll increase the amount of tangles you'll get. So top one. Middle one. Bottom one. And because nearly all our whiting fishing around here is done at night, I'm going to stick on a bit of luminous attraction, good old bone bass, bright, very simple to use, little mini gums. Just hook it straight on, pull it over the hook. So it sits like that. That doubles up as a visual attraction because it'll glow brightly, plus a little bit of a bait stop. Put that on all 3 hooks. And in no time at all we are ready to go. That is a 2 up, 1 down, 3 hook flapper. Perfect for sort of general scratching around, pouting, whiting, flatties, that sort of thing. Dead easy.